Last week a mom messaged me crying, "I just calculated my 6-year-old has already spent 2,100 hours on YouTube. That's 3 months of his life gone." 3 months. Before he even learns to ride a bike properly. The World Health Organization says kids under 2 should get 0 screen time, 2 to 5 only 1 hour maximum. But right now the average child gets 7 to 9 hours a day. I'm a parent too. When I first heard this number, my stomach dropped. Every extra hour is quietly changing the way their brain grows, and some of those changes can never be undone. If you love your child, stay till the end. This is the wake-up call most parents wish they got sooner. I'll never forget the day I showed my wife the actual MRI scans. In 2018, scientists scanned 4,500 kids. The ones on screens more than 2 hours a day had visibly thinner brain cortex, the exact same thinning we see in early drug users. My wife whispered, "That's our son's brain." Yes. And the younger they start, the worse it gets. Their little brains are still pruning until age 25. Less gray matter now means weaker focus, impulse control, and emotions later. It's not scolding, it's science. And it broke my heart. Have you noticed how your child throws a tantrum the second you take the tablet away? That's not just being naughty. Every notification gives a tiny shot of dopamine, the same chemical cocaine triggers. A child's brain is twice as sensitive as ours, so they get hooked faster. My nephew used to build Lego for hours. Now he says it's boring. That hurts to watch. Real life can't compete with endless scrolling. Stanford doctors literally call screens the digital heroin for kids. And I've seen it happen in my own family. My daughter used to fall asleep in 5 minutes. Then we allowed 10 minutes of cartoons before bed. Suddenly she was awake until 11 p.m., cranky the whole next day. Blue light kills melatonin by up to 88%. Kids lose almost 1 full hour of deep sleep every night they use screens late. That means weaker memory, weaker immunity, more meltdowns. One study showed teens with phones in bedrooms scored 17% lower on tests. We fixed it in one night. Phone stays in the kitchen after 7 p.m. Best decision we ever made. My friend's 2-year-old knew 300 words from baby Einstein videos, but couldn't say mama to her face. UCLA proved it. Kids with heavy screen time at age 2 scored 30 to 40% lower on language and empathy tests by age 6. They don't learn feelings from pixels. They learn when you smile, when you frown, when you hug them. I started putting my phone down at dinner. My son now looks me in the eyes when he talks. That tiny change brought my baby back. This one keeps me up at night. University of Calgary followed kids with 7+ hours of screen time. They lost 4 to 7 IQ points on average, and even after the parents took screens away, some damage stayed forever. It's like exposing them to lead, but we hand them the poison ourselves. I look at my kids and think, I can't get those points back. That's why I'm begging you, the brain-building window is closing fast. We all fell for it. It's okay, it's educational. Truth? Over 50 studies say babies cannot transfer anything from a 2D screen to real life. My son could count to 20 on an app but couldn't recognize the number 5 on a birthday candle. Real learning happens when they touch, talk, fall, and get back up. The best toys for under 5s? Blocks, books, mud, and you. Everything else is just expensive babysitting. You don't need willpower for a year, just start tonight. We use the 5-2-1-0, 5 fruits or veggies, max 2 hours fun screen, 1 hour outside, 0 sugary drinks. Phone sleep in the kitchen. No screens 1 hour before bed. Let them be bored, that's when imagination explodes. And here's the secret, I had to put my own phone down first. Kids don't do what we say, they do what we do. Your child's brain still has time. Protect it like it's the most precious thing in the world, because it is. If this helped even a little, please like, share with every parent you love, and subscribe. Together we can give the next generation the childhood they deserve. Thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.